Hi guys, I'm Mark, and in this video I'm going to show you how to stop snoring in 3 easy steps, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Recently, I was diagnosed with obstructive sleep apnea, and after countless sleepless nights lacking energy and always waking up with bruises from my wife kicking me in the middle of the night, I finally decided to do something about it. I researched how to stop snoring on the web, and after lots of trial and error, I finally stumbled upon 3 simple steps that helped me stop snoring for good. So with that said, here's what I found out. How to stop snoring in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Understand the cause of snoring. When you sleep, the soft tissue at the back of your throat collapses. This partially blocks your air passageway. Then when air travels through this blocked passageway, it causes a vibration, and this vibration is what we call snoring. Step 2. Stop the snoring problem at its source. When the lower jaw is given support to keep it in the upright position during sleep, the airway is kept open and unrestricted. Now here's where it gets interesting. Snoring research has shown that a jaw-supporting device worn during sleep increases the 3-dimensional space in the airway tube, and this reduces air velocity and soft tissue vibration. In other words, when the airway is kept open and unrestricted, air is able to flow freely, and this stops the vibrations and eliminates the snoring at its source. Step 3. Keep training the jaw to stay closed during sleep. As you continue wearing a chin strap, your jaw will become retrained to stay in the upright position and always keep your airway open during sleep. So basically, if you follow these 3 steps, you'll be able to stop snoring quickly and start getting the quality sleep that you need and deserve. The best way I found to stop snoring is to use the jaw-supporting device. I discovered this one while watching the news one day, and I thought I'd share this video clip. Make sure you watch it all the way to the end because you'll learn a lot. Here goes.
Sleep, a time when the body relaxes, recharges, and heals. But not all of us are resting easily. According to the National Commission on Sleep Disorders, 1 in 6 Americans suffer from some degree of sleep apnea.
When we sleep, the air passages shrink and become blocked eventually. In some people it will be a mild narrowing, in some people it will be complete obstruction so that the air won't get into the lung from the air passages. There are several symptoms. One is excessive sleepiness. They just don't want to wake up. Some people wake up with a headache and a dry mouth. Then they will have a lack of energy.
Because the severity of sleep apnea wasn't recognized by the medical community until recently, only a fraction of sufferers have been diagnosed. Common methods of treatment include sleeping on breathing machines and surgery to enlarge the airway.
Because the surgeries can come with complications and there can be issues to deal with post-op, and because the equipment can be cumbersome, it'd be nice to have a simplistic solution.
Working toward that end, a new jaw-supporting device has been designed to help reduce snoring and the symptoms associated with obstructive sleep apnea. It works at retraining the tissue and muscle around the mouth to stay closed while sleeping.
Ultimately, it's just helping you keep your mouth substantially closed while you're sleeping. It's keeping the jaw substantially supported so it can't collapse backwards and your tongue can't collapse back and close off your air. It doesn't work for everybody. It's not a cure-all for obstructive sleep apnea, but we have a very high success rate.
I guess I was thinking I was not getting enough sleep at night, waking up constantly. So I just figured I would have it checked out. They found out I had sleep apnea, and the device does help out a lot. Seem to get up and feel just fine in the morning, whereas I'm not near as tired as I used to be.
In the limited pilot study that we did that involved 11 patients, we had very positive results with the majority. And the patients have reported that they have been feeling better, one patient in particular. And this technology has great potential.
Further research shows that if not treated correctly, sleep disorders may open the door to other health problems.
It may lead into stroke, blood pressure, diabetes, depression. All those are there as far as from the medical standpoint. It has been estimated that an average American needs at least 7.5 hours of sleep every night on a consistent basis. Even one night's sleep deprivation can lead to sleepiness, lack of interest, concentration problems, productivity will go down. So that's extremely important.
resting our tired bodies. For those who suffer from a sleep disorder, it can sometimes turn into a nightmare. But continued changes in how we address mechanical problems may help us lay our apprehensions to rest and put some of our health problems to bed.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. Wearing a jaw-supporting device was the key ingredient that helped me stop snoring and start getting quality, restful sleep every night. And it also made my wife happy too. Anyway, there's a link in the description below to the jaw-supporting device. Click on that link right now and go check it out. Your body will thank you, and so will your wife.